real shit I just came up with for me. I'm gonna put some more of this myself. Same shit, different day. Trap hard to get a raise. Niggas tryna get a play, but I'm just tryna get a cake. Niggas out here wasting time, I ain't got time to give away. Getting high so high, feel like I could sit in space. Gotta watch for all the jakes, the block is how I won't get a case. Do a drill and skip the state, cause all that foo shit is case ASAP. Shy moolah, boys, so get it straight. The bitches love me, they won't fuck me, but I get the face of shame with the shits. That goofy bitch, she get replaced. I never trust a bitch, cause they be plotting, watching where you stay. Now they know you getting guap, they send some guys up in your place. Knowing where you fucking keep your money, run up in your safe. Hope you keep it on you, cause I hope you let it go. And they know that it's ASAP, and they know I was trained to blow. Some things that they ain't know, but if they never know, well man, I hope they know now, cause it's time they gotta go. They came up in my place, and I swear it ain't safe. If them niggas they appear, now I swear I get them raised, huh? I swear I get them erased. If they come up in my place, I swear I get them all erased.